Who knew one little puppy could make such a big mess?
We're back!
Oh, did Cream Puff get all her energy out?
No, but I trained her. She won't be making any more messes.
Well, that's wonderful, Minnie.
Doodles! There she goes again!
It's okay, everyone. I got this. Busy puppy, you're the best, but you must behave. Don't make a mess. Pulling covers off the bed, that's the perfect time to do tricks instead. I will show you tricks to do, like sit, lay down, and roll over too. Come on, puppy, give it a whirl. Gonna be so proud. You're my good, good girl. And when you're being good, for doing all the things good doggies should, you're gonna get some treats to sit and stay. And oodles of love and lots of play. Hey, hey, hey. Busy puppy, sit and stay. Busy puppy, let's go play. Busy puppy, you're so cute. Busy puppy, I love you. Busy puppy.
Oh, that was amazing, Minnie. Way to go, Cream Puff.
Good girl. Funny, I'm sorry about the mess Cream Puff made. Now I know that part of having a puppy is teaching them how to behave. Sometimes I have to tell her no to keep her safe.
It's okay, Minnie. I know it can be hard to tell your pet to stop doing something when they're having fun.
No need to stop them now. Look at that.
Oh, how sweet.
Say, Minnie, can I have a popsicle if I do a trick? I can roll over too.
Oh, Goofy.
Subscribe to find more videos and stay tuned to Disney Junior to watch your favorite shows.